Insights. I am Dr. Stephenson. Earlier today, I was in a conversation with Elder Joan T. Randall, CEO of Victorious U Press. From our conversation, a word kept popping up, the word abandonment. So I started to think about this word, abandonment. So I decided that this is a word that I should say something about. I want to thank you for allowing me to discuss this topic that is often cloaked in silence, yet it is so profound in the way it affects many of us. Abandonment isn't just about the physical state of being left. It is a cascade of emotions and doubts about self worth and belonging. Why is it that some individuals, some people, experience this profound sense of loss while others do not? What hidden wounds do they carry, and how do these scars shape their view of the world and themselves? You know, abandonment is more than the act of someone leaving, it leaves a ghost haunting one's self esteem and relationships. When thinking about abandonment, the question that comes to mind is, how does one rebuild trust when shattered by abandonment? How can someone rediscover their value when they have been made to feel worthless? Those grappling with abandonment often build walls, not out of malice, but to protect themselves. It is imperative that we ask ourselves, what does it take to lower these walls? How can we assure them they are seen, heard, and valued? Yes, those suffering from abandonment. Like many of you, I have felt the sting of abandonment, the sleepless nights, the days clouded by fear. But this journey is not solitary. Our worth is not defined by those who couldn't stay. Our value is not diminished by their inability to see it. In our shared stories of pain and resilience, we can find strength. We are not just survivors of abandonment, but warriors of resilience. And it's so important that we understand that. I want us to imagine a world, a place where abandonment is not the end, but a challenge we face and overcome together. Let us pledge. I want you to pledge to be there. I want us all to pledge to be there for each other. Listen without judgment and offer a shoulder when the world turns its back. Together, we can transform our collective empathy into a beacon of hope. It is essential that we create environments where everyone feels connected in our families, in our communities, and in society at large. By doing so, we are able to heal the wounds of abandonment and prevent its painful cycle from repeating. You know, I encourage you to let abandonment be a chapter in your story, but not the entire narrative of your story. Healing involves recognizing that being left is not a reflection of your self worth. Let me wrap this up by saying abandonment is a complex and painful experience. Yes, it is. But it is not insurmountable. With some empathy, understanding, and a commitment to support one another, we can turn a story of abandonment into one of resilience and love, one of resilience and hope, one of success. Let me remind you that in our darkest moments, there is a flicker of light. Hope understanding, and community. I want to thank you for being part of this most important journey. Abandonment is something that we all, at one time or the other, had to deal with. But you are the light. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.